Hi, I'm Yuka from Easy Training Australia. We train people in the body art industry across the country, and today we're going to give you some advice on how to look after your piercings and how you can become a body piercer as well through Easy Training. Another workshop, this time on oral piercings. With oral piercings, use alcohol-free mouthwash, diluted half mouthwash, half water, twice a day, or after every time you eat. Also make sure that your jewellery stays in place by tightening the balls every time you clean it. And again, obviously, don't touch your piercing unless you're cleaning it, and when you're cleaning it, make sure that your hands are very clean so you don't get yourself any nasty infections. If you experience any swelling around your piercing, you can ask your pharmacist to recommend an anti-inflammatory that will help with the swelling. Also, drinking cold drinks or eating cold things like ice cream, Slurpees, slushies helps bring down the swelling as well. With tongue piercings, you're going to have a longer bar put in the piercing initially to allow for any swelling. So wait about 10 to 14 days and then go back to your piercer and get a shorter bar put in. That's a nice snug fit without putting too much pressure on your piercing. Obviously, if your tongue swells a lot and you notice that there's a lot of pressure being put on your tongue, go see your piercer straight away so you can change it to a longer bar so that there's no pressure on your fresh piercing. Remember to tighten the balls on your tongue bar every day as well. Your tongue piercing will close up very quickly, especially in the early stages. Throw out your old toothbrush and get a brand new one, because your old one's probably going to be full of bacteria and that'll only increase the risk of infection. Another very important point, sex, drugs and rock and roll sounds awesome, but with a fresh oral piercing it can cause all sorts of havoc if you don't look after it properly. Any oral activity should not even be considered while you have a fresh oral piercing, whether it be a lip or tongue piercing. Also avoid drinking, smoking, taking any happiness medication when you go to parties. And like I've said before, the happier and healthier you are, the happier and healthier your piercings are going to be. And if you have any questions or you think your piercing is doing something it's not supposed to, don't hesitate to go and see your piercer for right advice.